Qatar does have some sort of balancing leverage points that it does have. One being, its sovereign wealth fund, $350 billion, which it does sort of utilize in both economic and political terms, but also from its LNG perspective. And so it provides, I believe, 30% of global LNG supplies, and it actually provides 30% of the UAE energy supplies. And so I think those balancing factors do allow the space, I think, for all sides to consider the longer term implications of what might be some sort of temporary, tactical, political initiatives that they're trying to do. I think that because all sides have a significant amount of leverage on each other, that does preclude going to some type of more significant sort of negative option. And so I really don't think that they're going to get there. And I do think that given these balancing factors, as you may, provide the space for a lot of the countries to take a longer term view of things. It's the most easily identifiable thing that they can do. So it's impactful, and I think a lot of the numbers being thrown out there right now, Qatar Airways will have a 30% impairment on its top line revenues this year because of this. And that's material, that's significant, but it's also because it's one company, and no doubt an important company, but it's one company, and it's the most public-facing company that Qatar has at the moment, that I think we have to take a look at it from an appearance versus reality type of thing.
They close when they
if this does continue for a larger region, we're going to see, I think, a slowdown in FDI, and we're going to see a slowdown in market entry by other corporates that are coming out there. And so I think right now you start to see an aggregation of risk factors that is moving beyond a certain threshold, at which a number of outside players start to question the viability of the GCC in the first place. It's a political problem that has economic impacts, but these economic impacts can definitely be walked back. Like I said, if we sort of roll this back within X amount of time. So we're definitely not there yet. I do think this is shorter term because this is a political issue that has economic ramifications. This is not the other way around.